Hey, it's David with Baer on Marketing. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to leverage joint venture partnerships for an online business. So let's dive right in, because the thing about being in business is you don't need to be in business yourself. There are lots of other businesses who are in a relationship with the same prospects and clients who you want to be in a relationship with too. Think about it in the offline world where accountants and attorneys and financial planners are all likely to have the same client. And they can work together to develop each other's businesses. Well, that's exactly what we're talking about here when it comes to an online business. So let's dive into ways that you can leverage joint venture partnerships. First of all, endorsements, just getting other businesses out there to say that your business is worth knowing about, worthwhile, that you do a good job with what you do. That sort of thing is incredibly valuable. But we're going to get a little bit more specific than endorsements. How about things like doing interviews with other businesses, or having somebody from another business guest post on your blog or be a guest on your podcast? These are ways that you can get together and then promote each other to your own to each of your audiences. Giveaways, giving something that a partner business has away to your list, and vice versa, having them give something away to their customers or clientele or email list, for example. List trades. Now, this is an opportunity where if you have active email lists and you have a relationship with them, you can mail on behalf of the other business. So maybe they have something to promote. You can promote their thing, and in turn, and it doesn't have to be at the same time, they can promote your thing when you have something that needs to be promoted. Virtual summits. This is a very popular practice. It's been going on for several years now, where several presenters can get together, each promote the summit event to their list, and as a result of all the signups, then everybody shares the additional new prospects on each of their lists. There's lots of different ways that you can structure a virtual summit, but it's a great way to collaborate with multiple joint venture partners. And the thing is that you want to make sure when you are approaching somebody about a joint venture relationship that you are ready to engage with them, that you have certain things in place. So here's a few things that make sense. You want to make sure that you have an active email list, that you have not only built an email list, and it does not need to be a big list to start with, but that you have people who you are communicating with via email and who know who you are, so that when you send emails to them, they are likely to open them and be responsive. That you have an affiliate program or some other way to compensate another business for doing something on your behalf. So if it's not an affiliate program, it could simply be a commission structure, but a way to track the fact that they have sent people your way, and when you convert those people into buyers, into customers, that you have a way to compensate that referral from the referring party. And then another thing you want to make sure is just that you have regular content, that you're out in front of people, whether it's blog posting or whether it's webinars, whatever it may be, podcasts, and that you are communicating with an audience in general. If you're simply just running a business and working with clients one-on-one and then going out and hunting, looking for your next client, but you don't have an ongoing relationship with prospects or clients in general, it's going to be a little trickier. So you want to make sure that before you enter the realm of joint ventures, that you actually have an audience you can be promoting stuff to that's well established. Now, you want to start small. If this is new to you, if you are not, really yet communicating on a regular basis with your list, or you haven't really done any promotion of things other than your own business, you want to just sort of take baby steps at the beginning. Maybe you want to do a couple of affiliate promotions and see how your audience, your list responds to it before you start getting bigger and bigger, or signing onto something major and surprising your followers, your audience, with something that they hadn't expected from you. The idea here is not not only are you practicing this, but you are training your audience to understand that you are putting promotions, putting offers in front of them that are not just your business, but things that you endorse as well. Because once you start working with a joint venture partnership, they're going to have some expectations about the quality that you're going to deliver. And once you have trained your audience to expect to hear these offers from you on a regular basis, you're more likely to get them to actually respond to things that your joint venture partners are offering. Also, you want to make sure that when you put all of this together, that you have a specific promotion, that it's not a vague, hey, would you like to work with me kind of thing, but a specific offer that somebody is responding to. It is a lot harder to get somebody to say yes if they don't know what the thing is that they're saying yes to. Now, these are just some initial pointers. I actually have a fuller training that you can grab, and I'll show you how in a moment. It's available inside the NAMS, Novice to Advanced Marketing Systems, Profitable JV Strategies training. Inside there, you'll also learn things like how to identify and how to approach the right partners for a joint venture partnership, and also what the right partner is. There are some partnerships that are just never meant to be, and you want to know how to avoid those too. You'll learn that inside this training. Now, this training is part of a larger membership site called Profit Planners that the folks over at NAMS have put together. And I'm a member over there. Here's a quick screenshot of my membership. The way that this works is each and every month there is a new subject matter that they teach. You get a whole bunch of materials, a textbook, a worksheet, checklists, some resources and tools, so that once you have sort of learned how to do something, you then have the resources to go ahead and implement those things in your business as well. And it covers a range of topics. Some are going to be more appropriate to your business than others, but things like list building, email marketing, affiliate marketing, other things about how to structure your business, productivity things, etc. Now, there are a few different ways that you can take advantage of their offer. They offer a monthly, annual, or you can see there in the middle, one-time payment. This is the one that I have, and it allows you to get access to everything that they've put in there. They have over 3 years of content already, plus everything that they put into the membership in the future. And it's a great deal. If you take advantage of the one-time payment, you can actually request one of my 6 bonuses. You can select from this list of products that I sell on my website, baeronmarketing.com. These are things that people purchase anywhere from $75 to $295 off my website. But when you do the one-time payment option from the Profit Planners, you get whichever one of these you want for free as my gift. So that's it. If you want to learn more about how this all works and also opt in for some bonus training that I'm offering, go ahead and click the link below this video, and I look forward to welcoming you into the NAMS Profit Planners community. In the meantime, I wish you well in developing your joint venture partnerships. Oh, hey, before you go, if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you got a comment, please leave one. And finally, don't forget to subscribe.